What's up, YouTube? It's your girl HiiEishh back again with another video. I finally got around to washing my hair. So this is freshly washed hair. I just washed it while I was in the shower this morning, and it's been air drying in this little ponytail. What, baby? Cheyenne took her diaper off? Yes. I'll be back. Okay. Take two. Action. Just washed my hair this morning. This is freshly washed hair. I just put it in that braid so that it can dry. It's still very much wet, but I want to go ahead and put oil and all that stuff in it right now while it's still very easy to manage. And then I am just going to put it into plaits after that. Put it into some braids. I want to do some mini twists, but like I said, that's just not the move right now, so that's not gonna happen. Switching over to the voiceover because yeah, the background got just a little I ain't gonna say hectic or ghetto or anything like that, but it was just, you know, too much going on. So here we are. But yeah, anyways, I am doing a braid out essentially, and I have done a braid out on my channel a couple of times. So if you want all the details on what I do, because it's the same process every time, you can watch one of my older videos. I'm not really gonna go into detail about what I do, but I am gonna tell you what I am doing. So right now I am just sectioning off my hair. Then I'm going to take the piece that I'm ready to braid. I'm going to put my leave-in conditioner on it, comb it out, make sure I don't have any knots or any tangles or anything like that. And then I am going to also no, all I did was put the leave-in. Yeah, the leave-in. And then on this part specifically, there was like one strand that had like some knots in it. You'll see when I break it up or whatever. But yeah, so that's what I'm really looking for. I'm gonna put the leave-in in, comb it out a little bit. Some parts I did spritz it with water before putting the leave-in in because it took me a minute to get to certain parts and they had already kind of dried out. So if your hair is dried out, definitely mist it with some water just to make it easily manageable. Then after I have put the leave-in in, I'm just splitting that section into 3 sections, and then I'm gonna begin braiding just like you see here. I'm gonna braid it all the way to the end. Once I get to the end, I'm going to essentially finger coil that piece around my finger so that the end curls up and I don't have to necessarily braid it all the way down if I don't want to. But like, it's literally still not been 2 years yet. I still have like a month and some weeks before we get to 2 years. So, but look at this length. Like, look at this. I am literally armpit length. Like, seriously. Like, this is a braid, so my hair is still shorter than it normally is when I stretch it out. But like, this is crazy. My hair is growing like extremely fast, and anybody can get these same results if they tap in with me. Like, right now, I am offering my hair consultation services for $30 an hour. And you might be thinking to yourself, girl, what, $30 an hour? But listen, just think about it as an investment. When you invest in yourself, you learn something or you take something that you can use over and over and over and over and over again. Imagine getting all the tools, strategies, tips, and questions that you need answers to answered regarding your hair, and you never needing to ask those questions again if you do what you're supposed to do within the hair consultation. But yeah, even with that, I also, like I said, I offer my virtual assistant services. I'm willing to do editing, graphics, some light graphics. I'm doing documents, drafting, whatever type of documents you need put together. I'm not a lawyer or anybody. I am just a regular everyday girl, but I have the skill set to put together a lot of things professionally. So if you need those services, those are also $30 an hour. Whatever you need, $30 an hour. like literally. And it's just a minimum of 1 hour, like $30. $30 is what you usually spend on a meal for two people. That's on the like cheaper end, but anyways, $30 that's a meal for two people. You know what I'm saying? $30, that is a nice pair of pants or a nice pair of shoes. Oh no, that's a nice pair of pants. That's a decent pair of pants. And that's a pair of sandals or something like that. Like, if you spend $30 with me, there is a lot that you can do with that. You can either learn how to get your hair taken care of and grow long, healthy hair. And these same strategies can be used for kids. Like, I use the same exact hair strategies that I do on myself, on my kids, and they have the literal like same results when it comes to hair growth. Like, I have numerous pictures and all that on my Instagram, which you will find in the description box below. So if you want to keep up with me on my Instagram, go ahead. Follow me at Instagram at HiiEishh. Follow my hair page specifically at HiiEishh Hair. And, you know, while you at it, follow Dark Phoenix, because you might be in Phoenix and you might be looking for something to do. And we always posting what to do. We always posting about opportunities, job openings, local deals and giveaways and all types of crazy stuff. So definitely tap into all my links in the bio. But let's get back to these VA services. So like I said, as a virtual assistant, I am able to draft documents for you. I can do customer service or call people and request information for you. And that way you don't have to hang on hold for nobody. You don't have to deal with people. I know that sometimes customer service is just so hard. You just don't want to be dealing with these people, but I will do it for you. Like, I personally don't like doing it, but I'm good at customer service. Like, I've always been good at it, and that's why I continuously get good customer service like jobs. I just recently switched over to jobs that are not so much customer service and more like no customer service. Like, I literally can be listening to music and stuff like that. So that is a blessing. But I, like I said, will still do the customer service for anybody who needs it. $30 an hour to get me to work with you on whatever you need. Like, hit me up. Like, my capabilities are endless.